This CNG will carry 5 kg.
Nandini, describe what you're launching today. Why in Bangalore, and how is the commuter's life going to change?
Yes, today we are very excited to launch UberXS as a category on Uber app. This is when two iconic brands, Uber and Bajaj, have come together to innovate and transform urban mobility. Today, UberXS will have Bajaj Qute, a quadricycle. This will be a global first for us as a category to have quadricycles, and we are launching it in Bengaluru today. It will be available in a few geographies within Bangalore. It's day one of our launch. We are going to expand to all parts of Bangalore in the coming weeks, and we hope that it is super successful and we're able to take it further. And as a commuter in Bangalore, what really changes is you have an excellent, affordable option to commute on a daily basis. Especially from Uber perspective, we want to be a multimodal platform offering various modes at different price points so that a rider and a customer can make decisions according to their use case. And this is going to be priced between an Uber Auto and an Uber Go. So this will be a cheaper and an affordable alternative to a car.
The average speed of traffic in Bangalore is now about 10 kilometers an hour. How is Qute going to solve for that?
See, as I said in my presentation also, that it is exclusively designed for intercity application. The fact that it is designed for intercity application, the top speed of this vehicle is only 70. So the efficiencies are built for such a low speed only. When I'm talking about the average, which is 43 kilometers in CNG version, it is designed for such low speeds. And that is how I am saying that whatever kilometers you're talking, the average speed is less, but within that speed itself, it will still provide this kind of mileage. And that is where it will take care of one. The second thing that it will also take care of is the size that it has. It is the same size as the rickshaw. So the space it occupies on the road, the way it maneuvers, the kind of turning radius it has, is going to take care of all this fall speed, congestion, etc., that you're talking about.
Why did you get into this partnership with Uber, and do you have any plans to further scale it up?
See, Uber, if I have to say why Uber, let me put it like this. We are into the business of intracity vehicles. We have a product. Uber is in the similar space, and Uber is a natural partner for us because they are not only present in India, they are also present globally. So if you look at this partnership is very, very natural to me because they are the ones who will make this product actually available to the people at a very, very low cost. So from that perspective, I think we are a natural partner. Rather than saying why partner, it's a natural partnership.
How can you scale up the number of vehicles or quadricycles that you've got on the Uber platform?
See, it is the moment people start understanding the benefits of this product. The benefits of these products are on running cost, which is the fuel economy and the maintenance cost. Both this coming together is a very good equation for running costs. The moment people start understanding the core benefits of this product, and then it creates a win-win situation for three of us. It is for the Uber, the driver, and the end consumer. When there is a win-win situation for three of this, it's a natural growth I'm talking about. So this will simply scale up.